Hello, my name's Kai. I'm a real estate broker and a loan broker at Soldion. Um, Today it's April 8th, 2020, and it's today I have a good news. Finally, you know, I have received an email from SBA. Because I applied for a economic disaster loan, economic injury disaster loan, and I was waiting for that, $10,000 advance pay. The day that I applied was last Monday, so it was March 30th. So it has been about a week, actually, it has been more than a week. And then, by the way, the video was recorded in Korean, different language, so it might be little, you know, doesn't match together. But anyways, yeah, this is the one I received the email from SBA. So once you receive an email from SBA, there's a green button. Yeah, see this one, the create account. And that's the button that you have to click. And look at your application number. If you have a lower number, then that means you might have a chance that you're gonna get a contact sooner. So like I said, I applied on last Monday. It was right after they changed the website. So my number was pretty low. So anyways, this is the portal site they provided. So once you click on creating your account with a password, you're gonna see this website. And as soon as you log in, then you're gonna see that amount, $15,000. Initially, I thought that was the advance pay, and I thought they increased the advance pay up to 15,000. So I was kind of surprised, but it's not. That's the initial loan amount that you're gonna get. So I'm pretty sure there are more businesses that require bigger amount, but SBA, they are gonna disperse that amount for first. That's the initial disbursement amount they're gonna disperse. So $15,000. This is an addition to that $10,000 advance pay. So I don't know how they're gonna pay, but probably I'm thinking I'm guessing they're gonna disperse like on top of this amount, they're gonna add $10,000 altogether. So hopefully they disperse $25,000 altogether. So anyways, this is the loan. Like I said, it's a loan, and they're giving you a 30 years term with a 3.75% interest rate. And the payment, you're gonna make a payment after 12 months, and then it's gonna be a monthly payment. So it's pretty good. The interest rate is pretty low, and then you start making a payment after 12 months. So it's pretty good. So whatever they offer, try to maximize that loan amount. So, and then let's see. So like I said, this is an addition to the advance of up to $10,000 advance pay, So that's what it says here. So 15,000, that's the initial loan disbursement for 2 months of working capital, up to a maximum of $15,000 per applicant. That's what it says. So yeah, so I'm pretty sure all the business applicants, they're gonna get $15,000 on top of $10,000. So it's not that bad. So it looks like we're gonna get the $25,000 at lump sum. And let's see. And then this part, they're explaining that about the PPP. Additional options available to help small businesses include the recently launched Paycheck Protection Program for payroll costs. The Paycheck Protection Program offers loans up to $10 million at 1% interest rate. These loans mature in 2 years, but the amount of the loan used for payroll and certain operating expenses in the first 8 weeks after loan disbursement may be forgiven if the business uses a minimum of 75% of the loan for payroll. So, like I mentioned, that loan, the PPP, if you get a loan from PPP, then you have to spend more than 75% of a loan for payroll. Otherwise, the amount that's going to be forgiven is going to be reduced. So, yeah, keep that in mind. But still, even it's a loan, they have only 1% interest rate. It's good. So, anyways, so once you decide your loan amount, so try to maximize the loan amount and then click on accept on the bottom of the page and see what's gonna happen. Let's see. So see the green button, it says amount confirmed. So next step, and so next step, you see the steps to complete and verify identity. So click on the continue. Let's see. Yeah, so this is the question about yourself. I guess it's from your credit history. So yeah, some questions are very tricky, because between 1997 and 1998, in which state did you live? So I was out of state. Anyways, yeah, here we go. So we have verified your identity. So continue. Yeah, so we already put the bank's information, so we don't have to change anything for the electronic disbursement. And then the next step, let's see. And yeah, click on that submit for processing. So let's see. Okay, submit. And then you see processing on top of the screen right there. Its color has been changed to red. That means your application is under process. So and then what? Yeah, electronic disbursement. Just leave it as it is. I'm pretty sure that you already input your bank account information when you apply for $10,000 advance pay. So just leave it as it is. And I guess that's pretty much about it at this time. And so we just wait for the loan documents. I'm pretty sure it's going to be delivered electronically. So, like click for your e-signature, and that's it. I'm just hoping that can be done within 5 business days, so we can get the funds by early next week. So, if there's any updates, I'll let you guys know. And then one more thing I want to mention about the PPP, Paycheck Protection Program. Yesterday, one of my clients visited my office, and then she was kind of begging me to find a lender that can accept her application for PPP, because her bank, she has been using that bank for over 10 years, and then that bank, her bank her bank stopped receiving the application on Tuesday, and she was given all the package loan applications and list of documents that she has to prepare. She received that package on a Monday, and then next day she dropped off all the documents at the branch. But in the afternoon, she was told that her application is not going to be processed. So it was so sad. She was almost crying, and then asked me to find a lender who can accept the application, but I couldn't find it. So that's the situation. I'm pretty sure there are so many business owners who cannot even apply for PPP at this time. So, I'm just hoping, there are some changes with the banks so everybody can apply for PPP. Anyways, my name's Kai, and if you have any questions about PPP and disaster loan, let me know. Okay? Thanks so much.